Hey guys, happy day number 18 of the 20 days to your 2020 e-commerce vision. So excited to be here. We have 2 more days of the 20 days to your 2020 e-commerce vision. And by the time the ball drops on January the 1st at midnight, you're going to have everything that you need to have a successful e-commerce vision for 2020. So for day number 18, today we're going to talk about using sales psychology to get people to buy your product on Amazon. For there are several parts of an Amazon listing that are super duper important. The first would be the title. It's probably, it is the most important part of your Amazon listing. It's the first thing that a buyer sees. So you have the title, and then you have the bullet points, and you have the description, and you have the back end keywords or the search terms, and that is what sells your Amazon product. But here is exactly how you sell your product. You have to use sales psychology, and I have to give credit to Marley Baird. I was recently in one of her video challenges, and she gave an amazing example, and I wanted to share it with you because it makes so much sense. And what she was saying is she was comparing painkillers to vitamins. Painkillers to vitamins. So yes, vitamins may be better over the long haul because you're being proactive, but what everyone wants, painkillers, they're far more valuable because they're desperate for the product. It takes away the pain like that, right? And so the vitamins, they prevent the pain, so you take it slowly and slowly and slowly. But by the time someone wants a painkiller, they are like up to here in pain. It's a 10 out of 10, and they're like, give me a shot, give me something, give me something. And that's why I just realized why my Amazon products do so well is because when I'm writing the title, the bullet points, the description, it's all about the pain. It talks about the pain that the customer's in. And ironically, I sell vitamins, and the vitamins that I sell, I talk about the pain, the problem that they're trying to solve by taking these vitamins, taking these supplements, right? And so when you're writing your Amazon listing, when you're thinking about your product, I want you to think about painkillers. What is the benefit that your product is going to give the customer? What's the pain that your product solves? Because if you can come up with the pain that your product solves and the benefit that it gives to your customer, you could probably sell ice to an Eskimo, right? You could sell anything you want. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, of how you can use sales psychology to get people to buy so that your product stands out from the millions and millions and millions of products that are on Amazon. So I will see you tomorrow in day number 19. It's going to be super special because I'm going to do a 2019 year in review of my business, everything that I've done this year, from all the trainings that I took, everything that I implemented, the lessons that I learned, what I would do different, and I'm going to share that with you tomorrow. So it will be a longer day number 19 on your 20 days to your 2020 e-commerce vision, because no matter how far you've come, you always need to look back to see how you can improve for 2020 and to celebrate your victories too. Share your wins. So when you look tomorrow, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, Becky's bragging. No, it's not bragging, guys. It's me. I did it for me. I did it to celebrate my own accomplishments this year, pat my own self on the back, because nobody else does it, right? When you sell online, it's a lonely, lonely world. I give shout outs all the time because a lot of people are sitting behind their computer and nobody recognizes them, right? It's not like you go to a job like I do and you get high fives and you get spot awards. You don't get that recognition when you are working alone, banging it out on your computer every single day, day in and day out. So I'm going to give my own self a pat on the back tomorrow, so you can come watch me as I do that. So I hope you all have an amazing night. And listen, on January the 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to share with you how to make $50 per day, even if you've never sold online on Amazon. So you can join me there at hangwithbecky.com. Register. It's going to be a live webinar. I will be live at 1 p.m. Eastern on January the 1st. So 1/1 at 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay, see you over there, and I'll put the link below. Bye. Remember to sell more so you can give more. Cha-ching.